At O'Galley Electric, we believe that peace of mind starts with reliable power. That's why we install Generac Home Standby Generators, so families never have to worry about losing power when they need it most. A Generac Home Standby Generator means no more food spoilage, no more sitting in the dark, and no more wondering when the lights will come back on. It's all about protecting your home, your loved ones, and your way of life. And right now, we are offering a 10-year Generac Extended Warranty, a free 4G LTE device, and a complimentary annual maintenance visit. So that's over $1,700 in added value. So don't wait for the next power outage. Be prepared before it happens. Call now to schedule your free in-home consultation. Terms and conditions apply. Power your home, protect your family.